Thank you. As some of you people know, there will be again some voting going on soon. And this is a song of a previous EP titled Simple Life, and it's kind of my take on what I vote for. Yeah. It's got nothing to do with politics, although people say politics has got to do everything with everything, so I don't mind. I'm a musician, I'm not even from this dimension, so don't bother. Simple life with nothing on my mind. Life is meant to be happy. There's got to be a place for me. All I want is a simple life with nothing on my mind. I wanna know who I am all throughout the day. I wanna live as a drop coming down in the rain. I wanna experience only pleasure or pain. I want my world to be alright. Uriel Ohringer. All I want is a simple life with nothing on my mind. How can I learn to be free? There's got to be a place for me. All I want is a simple life with nothing on my mind. I wanna know who I am all throughout the day. I wanna feel what I feel, be it pleasure or pain. I wanna live as a drop coming down in the rain. I want my world to be alright. The next and our latest, last song of this set. Lastest set of this song is introduced by Nadi Hoftuin, our singer and shaker. She is shaking with ster-anijs. What's the English name? Queen's English?
Some anise, some starry anise, and it smells.
Star anise.
It smells pretty much.
Star aniseed.
Aniseed.
Star.
Aniseed.
Any seed. It's any seed. She's shaking any seed tonight, so you better be informed. This song is inspired by a great Dutch performer called Lucky Fons III, and he, I have toured with the man a while ago, many years ago. We're not going to tell how much. And he had a song, Eigenlijk wil ik dat je gaat, and it was about extorting difficult emotions. And so this song is about when you have someone in your life for a while and you think it's all okay, but then you find out like, whoa, this is kind of a bad influence, like a toxic relationship. And then the song is called This Is Not a Sad Song. It's ending with the line, I don't want to be in your pocket. And everyone's invited to sing along. This is not a sad song. It could be that you make it. This is not a sad song. I don't wanna fake it. I try to live rather long, as I thought you wanted, but I had it all wrong. Not that I still bother. This is not a sad song. It could be that you make it. This is not a sad song. I don't wanna fake it. I try to live rather long, as I thought you wanted, but I had it all wrong. I don't wanna be a pocket. 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 Thank you. There's one tape for sale, 700 euros. Okay. 800 there, yeah, 900 there. Okay. It's for Amarin, she was first. Yeah, thanks a lot.